Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the Oittm mini heater. You can get this product on Amazon for about $48. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. It's small, lightweight, and doesn't look too bad. It's very easy to operate the mini heater. I didn't even read the user manual when I used it for the first time. I tested the mini heater for a couple of days and I think it's a very nice product. In my opinion, it's a little bit too loud and the power cord could be a little bit longer, but other than that, it works really well. So if you want to save some money on your power bill, or you just need some extra heat for your office or your living room, I would recommend the Oittm mini heater. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.